Now, these are just some of the ways that I've been able to use YouTube to make money in business. AdSense revenue, we just talked about. It's the advertising revenue sharing on my videos. I've been able to raise money and private lenders and people that want to lend on deals with me. I've had sponsors, want to pay me a lot of money. Some of you guys know Quest IRA, IRA Custodian. They sponsor my podcast. And I've had sponsors pay me. So think about this, guys. You can spend, let's say, $5,000 a month to pay for paid ads. You can go on YouTube and run $5,000 of paid ads to people watching real estate investing YouTube channels or insurance channels or mortgage channels or title channels. But what if you took that same $5,000 and you have $1,000, or you go to 5 different individuals that have huge YouTube followings and you pay each one of them $1,000 a month to actually give a verbal call to action saying, hey, if I was to use a loan to go get a mortgage, I would definitely go to Loan with Jim, right? So you can actually pay the person on that channel by going right past YouTube directly to them to create content. And do you think it's a stronger message if that person is saying, hey, this is who I use as a first party credible testimonial, when the people that are watching that YouTube channel are there to watch that person? So think about who you watch. If they say that they use this, or they say that they use this teeth whitening, or this is what they use or whatever, you're more likely to buy it than just an ad. So think about maybe reaching out to some of these people and asking how much it would be to advertise on their channel. And you can work an agreement directly with them. Deal flow, buy houses this way, get listings and leads this way. I built my EXP team. So we built, because of YouTube video marketing, I've scaled a real estate agent organization across 29 separate states in a little over 2 years. So my agents are all across North America now. And then I'm training them to do exactly what we're doing, which is training them to build their teams through YouTube and attract leads and national referrals. Business to business connections. Let's say Jen is on here and I know Jen's business. Chris is on here. I know Chris's business. I know Jen needs Chris's business. I know Chris's business needs Jen's business, but they don't know each other. And I know they need to know each other. And I'm going to connect the two of them, but not unless they pay me a lot of money, right? So they're going to make a lot of money together. And by helping them make a lot of money together, do you think they're going to be happy to pay me for making the connection? So business to business connection, consulting, obviously affiliate sales. You can sell other people's courses, other people's products. I have people come on my podcast and pitch their courses and things like this. So similar to how YouTube's working, I'm bringing the attention to my channel. They're bringing a product, we sell it, they take a percentage and I take a percentage, and it's a partnership, which is what affiliate sales is. Now, I don't do this. You could sell merchandise, you could sell hats and clothes, whatever you want. Some people do live video, which is called super chat. You can actually donate money to people's video while they're doing it. And then, home study course is a great way. If you guys are going to build a big enough audience, you guys can have a course on anything. I've had courses on flipping houses. I've had courses. I even have a YouTube course teach kind of what I do here. I have had courses on building cash buyers lists. I've driven people to my membership site. So we have the social, it's actually called the Social Strategy Mastermind now. I need to change the slide. So we drive people to membership sites, monthly recurring membership sites. But these are some of the ways that we make money on YouTube.